After studying fission, fragmentation, and budding, that are the types of asexual reproduction in plants, the next method is spore formation. The spore formation takes place same that of the animals. In plants, generally, this type of asexual reproduction takes place with the help of variety of motile or non-motile spores. That is movable or non-movable. In this, the motile spores are called zoospores and non-motile spores are called conidia. This type of spore formation generally takes place in algae or fungi. However, the spore formation in algae generally takes place with the help of zoospores and that of fungi takes place with the help of development of conidia. Thus, ciliated motile spore, that is the zoospore, are generally produced by algae. Which have the property to swim in water. Definitely in water only, the spore formation would occur, with the help of which flagella development occurs. And there, this flagella helps in the development or direct development of new individual. That is, this new individual is the offspring that is produced from the parent motile spores. Example, green algae like Eulothrix, then Chlamydomonas, and Oudogonium. These are the family that belongs to green algae. However, development of zoospores also occur in few species of fungi, like the fungal species of Umycota. But these are only few exceptions. Mostly, zoospore formation occurs in fungal species and algal species. This figure shows the zoospore formation in Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix. As it can be seen from the figure, various zoospores are formed within the body which then gradually, through flagella, develops into new individual. And this process generally takes place in water. This zoospore formation mainly takes place through nucleus within which chloroplast also occurs in case of algae. The second type of spore includes conidia. As said earlier, conidia are the non-motile spores. Such spores are generally non-flagellate. because they are not motile and therefore they does not possess flagella. These spores are mostly found in fungal species. Example: Penicillium, Aspergillus. Moreover, such non-motile spores or conidia are generally found among the terrestrial fungi. Such spores are generally light and dry and therefore they are well developed or rather well adapted for dispersal by wind. Such spores also possess a tough, hard coat, which enables them for protection. This figure depicts the formation of conidia in Aspergillus and that in Penicillium. As it can be seen from the figure, these conidiophores are the base on which conidia arises, and stigmata is the tip from which these conidia arises and gets swelled portion, resulting into the formation of a new individual. Spores, whether zoospores or conidia, generally develop from sporophyte. That is, it is the sporophyte of mass which helps in the asexual reproduction by spores. Thus, it helps in the asexual reproduction process. Now, the plants which develop through the spore formation can be of two types. First, homosporous, and second, heterosporous. Definitely, the name only suggests that what does the term mean. Homosporous are the plants that bear only one spore. And heterosporous are the plants that bear two types of spores. These images show the example of homosporous and heterosporous plant. As it can be seen, this is a lycopodium plant which is a fern and homosporous in nature. This is a pteridophyte named Selaginella which is a heterosporous plant.